Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm here with a Pictures on Gold bracelet. We've worked with Pictures on Gold before. You can see links to my other posts in my blog article, which will be in the video description of this, but we're going to be doing a giveaway for this too. We've added it to our holiday gift guide because we think any of their great products make a unique gift for this holiday season. So now inside, I'm taking it off. Those are the little hooks that were holding it. I had a picture of my two youngest children because I already have a bracelet like this, not exactly the same, but again, you can see it in my post with my husband and myself. I couldn't fit all of my 5 kids on here, so I had to pick and choose, and I had a good picture of my two youngest, so I just put them on there. And on the back, you can have a text engraved, so it just says my children's names and the lake that we were on for that picture and the year. And you can get the picture done a variety of styles in black. And so the bracelet is very nice. Makes a very nice gift this year for anyone on your holiday gift list. I'll have more on the blog, more information, links to the website. There should be a link to the website to order on our video description as well. So let me know what you think of this. We are going to be having a giveaway, and as always with our giveaways, sharing this video, liking, commenting, watching the video, giving us a thumbs up are all going to be entries, extra entries that you can take. So you might as well get them out of the way now, then go over to the blog post, which you'll find in the video description, and enter, and then you can just scoop up those extra entries. All right, thanks so much. Let me know what you think of this bracelet, and thanks so much for watching, guys. Let me know what you think of this bracelet, and thanks so much for watching, guys. Have a great one. Bye-bye.